Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my braids. The ones that I did, like the short ones up to here. I'm going to insert a picture right here. So yeah, but I might make them a little bit longer. I'm not too sure yet. Probably might make them longer actually, like probably all the way down here. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to show you the braids that I got. These are this color. I'm probably going to use this color or this color. I'm not too sure which color yet. I might mix them together actually. Mix these two colors together or have it black. I'm very indecisive. I don't know which one to do. But yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to start by taking off my hair. This was a headband wig. I know it looks probably people mostly think that it's my hair sometimes, but no, it's actually a headband wig. So yeah, this is how the braids looked like before. It looks kind of messy, like really messy actually. So I'm just gonna redo it, but make them a bit neater, cause yeah. So let's get into it. So what I'm going to be using is this castor oil. This is really good for my hair. I just bought it just now actually. I don't even know how much it was. I didn't even ask the guy how much it was. But I just bought it. I can't open this. Bear with me guys. So this castor oil. And probably my gel. Eco styling gel. And this oil just for the end result, and maybe this just to make it shine. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. So what I'm doing now is taking all my braids out, but instead of taking it out at once, I'm taking it out in sections so that I can know where my parting is. So I'm gonna come back to you guys because I just need to get a brush or comb or something. So hold up. So this bit is just self-explanatory. I'm just combing it out, trying to detangle it. Yeah, nothing much. So now I'm just getting a bit of the edge controller and just brushing it on my hair just to flatten my hair out so it's easier to plait with. I'm putting it all over my hair guys, as you can see. So here I decided to make my braids a little bit smaller, so each parting I'm going to be doing is halving it so that my braids are much smaller. So yeah. So just want to say that this part is going to be repetitive for the rest of my hair. So as you can see, I'm also brushing the other piece of hair that I had and putting it in a rubber band. I just want to say that this castor oil is so good, like, pure. back to you guys when I finish putting all of these in the bun. Alright guys, I just finished putting the whole of the bands in my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. I keep looking at here, like myself, but I'm supposed to be looking at the lens here. You know. So sorry if it looks a bit weird. What I'm doing now is cutting my extension in half so it can be shorter and getting the piece that I need. So in this bit, I'm just beginning to plait my hair. I'm gonna try to hide my real hair under the extensions as much as possible. So guys, I'm gonna come back to you when I finish the whole hair, because this bit is self-explanatory. That's how you say it. So yeah, see you guys. Okay guys, I'm back from putting it in boiling water. So it's how it looks so far in boiling water. So now I'm gonna do my edges with eco styling gel. Yeah, I did my edges. And now I'm gonna be doing is putting foam on it. So yeah, apparently you have to put a lot of foam. So I'm gonna put a lot of foam. And then wait for it to dry after. But guys, you know when I didn't have much hair and I put this, I kind of like it now. Like, it looks very nice and different. This little highlight, I like that. Because I didn't have much hair, that's why I put it there. But it's good sometimes when you make mistakes. Stuff will still look nice. So yeah, let's wait for that to dry. And then next, I'm going to put, one second guys. I'm going to put this deeply rooted oil, if you guys can see it. This deeply rooted oil is 3-in-1, is face, body and hair. So it's hair growth as well. It's from I'm Just Glowing, if you guys can see. I'm Just Glowing. So I'm just going to put in my roots because, you know, you guys saw my hair before, it was very short. So yeah, because I cut it. So I'm trying to make it grow back again fast and healthy. So yeah, I'm going to add some in my roots. I don't add a lot guys, I just add a little bit to make it not too oily, you know what I mean? So next, finishing off, I'm going to use this olive oil. You don't have to use it, but I like to use it because it makes your hair shiny and stuff. So yeah, I like it when it's shiny. So yeah, add some. This is the finished result guys. This is the finished result. Let me stand up so you guys can see the ends as well. So this is how it looks like. See? And the highlights there. It is actually this long up to here. So you guys, my shirt is wet. It's because, you know, my hair is wet right now. So yeah, it's this long. And yeah, I actually really like it. So thanks guys for watching. Of course, many more videos to come, and please like and subscribe. And if you would like any more hairstyles you want me to do, please let me know in the comment section, and also add my socials, probably be in the bio. So thanks guys, bye.